Hello, this is again me, Nader Kawadri. This is my project when I was working at TP Bennett Partnership between 1988 and 1989. I worked on the Farnborough office development. It was called Spectrum Point, and I worked on a shopping centre, Capital Exchange. Now I'll talk about Farnborough maybe in 2 or 3 videos. So this is a 17 million pound development. So this is the railway station there. This is Farnborough railway station. So we developed all this car park for British Rail, and this is the station forecourt, as you can see, and this is the office development, 10,000 square meter, about 6-7 stories, 2 blocks. This is the atrium and 2 blocks. I'll go quickly so we can cover as much as we can. All that was developed by us, designed and developed by Condor Projects. Now this is at the larger scale. As you can see, the levels. This is the showing all the levels that we had to use, and this is just somewhere at ground floor level, just to cover how much is inside and how much is outside. This is one of the elevations at an early stage. We were developing it. I worked on this project from the initial concept with Mr. Raymond Harris and Frank Taylor and Graham Vincent. They were my supervisors and the associate and the partners for this project. They were in charge of this project. This is the development of the design. As you can see, this is the interior of the atrium, the lifts, 3 lifts, and the curtain wall at the front and at the back. This is one of the drawings which we submitted for planning permission, to get planning permission. Yeah, this is the site plan. As you can see, the atrium there and 2 towers, and also the block A and block B, 10,000 square meter, and that's Farnborough station. Okay, and that's there was like a public house here. So here we show the material and what color, you know, what type of brick and what type of windows, and these are the sections through the atriums, this one and that one as well, looking at different views and sides. Now here the basement plan during the detail design, and to go out to tender and building regulation where we're developing the drawings. We used AutoCAD as well, so some of us will be drawing them on AutoCAD, and then we add some dimensions and some more notes, because we had only 4 AutoCAD stations and 2 plotters at that time in the whole company. And this is another sub-basement plan where the substation. Right, here a typical floor on the 1st, 2nd and 3rd. As you can see, 3 lifts, and that's the atrium. That's the Farnborough station here, very noisy area. And this is one of the blocks on this side, and another block. As you can see, we tried to squeeze as much as we can the toilets and staircase and the lifts, and this is the canopy, and all that was the net lettable space. So we had to maximize by using a very thin envelope and putting everything next to the atrium. That's the 2nd floor, typical one, and that's the elevation, the back elevation from the Farnborough station. We changed the windows many times and we developed it, and we used wall planks fixed to the steel structure so we can go up quickly, and then the brick is laid slowly later on, because we wanted the service engineers and the mechanical engineers and the subcontractors to come and fix everything inside while the building was going up slowly, because we saved a lot of time and money by doing so. That was the final design of the elevation, as you can see, and we did all this detailing, different types of bricks to make it acceptable by the Hampshire County Council, because they said, you know, make the brick more interesting and exciting. So that was the bay window, and that's another one. We used the module 7.5 meter by 7.5 meter. This is the canopy of the entrance, and as you can see, it's quite interesting and complicated there. These are some of the details. So as you can see here, the wall plank and the insulation was inside, so they are connected to the columns with nuts and bolts, and we go up and we fix the windows, and then slowly the brick is laid like after 3 months or 4 months. Where we were 2 people at the beginning, me and Andy McKinnon, and then we added another guy, Vasilis joined us, and another guy as well, slowly after 7 months. This is the section through the canopy, showing all the DPC and DPM and air conditioning. These are some of the construction drawings and dimensions and windows and some of the details during the building regulation stage. This is one of the staircases which we drew, and we sent to the structure engineers, Condo Structures, to approve and build their own drawings. This is 1 to 20 details, elevation and plan of the canopy, as you can see, to show the waterproofing. These are some of the details here in the atrium inside, part of the interior. As you can see here, there are little sections, so we're showing the location of the sections. This is the balcony, so we can stand here, and some of the mechanical engineer air conditioning are, as you can see, we tried fan coil unit and some of the other electrical equipments, so we developed them as well. And here's some of the detailing as well of the curtain wall, as you can see. We did them manually, and then slowly we put them in CAD. That's another drawing as well, showing how the details of the floors and the walls. And I think now where the video is finishing, we will talk about further details in another video. And thank you for listening. Bye for now.